Hey neighbor, come with me as I record 20 videos, long form videos. I'll record all of them at a stretch. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so I might record 10 today and tomorrow I do the rest. That is how I batch film my videos and it's a lot of work. So I'm done filming the first video and I'm about to snack. This is the snack my daughter gave me. What is it? I've not eaten since morning. So I started filming. What's the time? I started filming. I did. Oh, that's something I did so bad. I did not check the time I started filming, but this is 11:53 a.m. So I'm about to take my snack, and once I'm done, I'll film the next video. Remember, we'll have like 20 videos we need to film between today and tomorrow. So I want to see how many we can take down today. I'm not talking about shorts. I actually have like 5 shorts to film. So if I'm putting all of them together, that will be like 25 videos in total. This is what I do. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Please, we are begging you, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. So this is my next outfit. This stand is trying to hide my breast from the world. So this is my next outfit for the next video. I'm going to use this outfit to film. There is a video I filmed, I think a few weeks ago, not few weeks, I think few months ago, my last filming set that this now. Did you do it? How come? It's not good like this now. Do it like you did that day. So the pin will not show. So I didn't like the hook in that video. I'm going to film the hook. One other video and another video. If the spirit leads. I think my breast is still see now the pin is still showing. So yeah, I have filmed 2 videos and one intro for a tutorial. Yeah, for that one video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial like a screen recording. Yes, so I filmed the intro and the outro for that video. So basically, I can say I have filmed like 3 videos using this outfit. The time is 3:29. We started filming at 10 a.m. Now the time is 3:29. I'm about to have lunch because I've not really eaten aside the egg roll I ate earlier. So I'm about to eat and then change my outfit and continue filming. This is the light, by the way. If they don't restore the light by then, I'm going to put on the chain. Or I'm filming this with daylight. Daylight is cool. Again, you don't have any excuse. So this is my next outfit for the next video I want to record. I basically going to wear this one once, though I have used it to do a reel for someone, for a client, and some reels as well for myself. But I'm just going to use it to record one long form video. I'm going to change my outfit again for 2 additional videos, and that will be it for today. The time is currently 5:27 p.m. Okay, so let's get into it. This is my next outfit, and I'll be filming 2 videos with this outfit, and that will be all for today because it's currently 6:11 p.m. since morning. So I'm not able to complete the second video. I wanted to film with this outfit. Maybe I'll start from there tomorrow. I'm exhausted. This is 6:33. I'm tired. I'm already taking off my clothes. So we'll continue tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. What about you? So this is day 2, and today I had my breakfast. And what's the time? Let me see. 10:22. This is my setup. I'm leaving the window open and I'm also using my 2 lights. Yes. We're looking to invest in more lights and upgrade my mic as well. This is the 360 gimbal tripod. I have 2 other tripods. This one is 360. I didn't unbox it. Okay, I think I did. That was after my surgery. Story for another day. Remember this outfit from yesterday. I'm going to be filming. Let's go to the board. Okay, I'll be filming ghostwriting and the freebie. Basically, for the freebie, I'm just going to do an introduction to the video and the rest will be tutorial. Let's get started. So I was about filming the next set of the video, but I'm very tired. I'm super exhausted and I still need to like come up with the hey buddy to bed on my window. Okay, so I was about filming the next batch, but I am super exhausted and you can see it in my eyes. So I think I'm going to pause here and then focus on editing the other ones I have created and post, because I still need to like do screen recording for some of the videos that includes tutorials. So I think I'll be doing that today. And also I need to like create content for Shameless Outreach Sprint SOS that is happening next week Friday. If you've not signed up, sign up. And that's it. The time is 12:49. So basically I'll stop filming now and start working. Yeah, because you really do not want to film when you don't have energy to film. It's going to show in the video. So I'm super exhausted, to be very honest. I'm going to pause now. The rest of the scripts, I'm going to write more scripts and add to it for the next time I am batch filming, which is going to be next month. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you get to see all the videos we made for this month. Thank you so much for coming with me on this journey. Bye, neighbor. Hmm.